Hello. I want to take a minute to talk about some backflushing capability that we extended in version 4.40, which is our September 30th, 2022 release. A number of releases ago, we addressed a use case for clients that said for bill of material items, packaging items, things like that. There are a lot of companies out there that wanted us to go ahead and backflush or automatically use those packaging items based on the quantity produced. So I might have ordered 10 items, but I only made 9. I want you to backflush 9 worth of packaging. And that was done a number of versions ago, and it was set at the facility level, and it was an all or nothing proposition. So all items on the bill of material would backflush or not, and the users would have to manage that really if they didn't want an item to backflush. So per requests coming from clients, we added some override capability at the component level. And what I mean by that is when you set up a finished good bill of material, so down in the subcomponent section, and you're identifying what the packaging materials are that go into this specific end item, there's a new column. It happens to be over here on the far right for me. I can tell it to override or do not backflush if the facility is set up to backflush. So this would override this process. So when I create a batch ticket and I add this end item to the batch ticket, these values will show up. I'm going to go ahead and mark this one, this first packaging item, which happens to be the can. I'm going to add that as do not backflush. And we'll go see how that works in batch entry. That's all it is to set it up, is to go ahead and mark that item that you do not want to backflush. Now, it's not going to change any existing batches, so I need to go ahead and create a new batch, or even I should be more specific and say it's not going to change end item lines that are already in batches or on batches. So you could go and delete an end item line off a batch and re-add it, and what I'm about to show you would work. I'm going to go ahead and add multiple end items. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a couple of, well, let me just go and stay with the O2. So here's the end item, and its packaging bill of material is listed here. If I scroll all the way over to the right, I'm going to see that this do not backflush is here. Now we've decided at this point to keep this read-only, so you can't change it from here. This item will not backflush. So what I mean by that is when I come in and tell the system that I'm doing a complete now of say 10 items, I need to release first. So I want to do a complete now of 10 items. What we're going to see is an issue now for the items that are backflushing, and no issue now for the items that's not backflushing. So it basically is stopping the behavior on a line item by line item basis on the component subcomponent screen. Just know that you can't change this in batch entry. You would just simply go in and put in the issue now quantity. So I might have actually used 11 of those as an example. That's the backflush override capability. We're hoping that this may help really kind of fine-tune clients that are using this backflush on the bill of material and make their lives a little bit easier. If you can think of other things that might help you in your daily life, please give us a call, shoot us an email, just get in contact with us, and we're happy to put it on the roadmap and see what we can do to help you out. Thanks a lot and have a great day.